Charging for drywall repair can be approached in a few ways. Firstly, consider an hourly rate. This involves charging a fixed hourly rate for the time spent repairing the drywall. A typical range is between $30 and $50 per hour. Secondly, you could use the square footage rate. This means charging a fixed rate per square foot of drywall repaired. This rate will vary depending on the size and complexity of the repair. Thirdly, you can offer a flat fee. This is charging a flat fee for the entire repair, regardless of the time or materials used. This approach is suitable for smaller or simpler repairs. Now, regarding who repairs the drywall after electrical work, there are a few options. Some electricians may offer drywall repair services as part of their overall electrical work. Then there are specialized drywall contractors who typically handle more complex or extensive repairs. Finally, homeowners with basic do-it-yourself skills can attempt small drywall repairs themselves. When it comes to mudding and taping, which is the process of covering the drywall patch with joint compound and tape to create a smooth surface, it can also be handled by different parties. Electricians may or may not offer mudding and taping services. It depends on their skill level and whether they have the necessary tools. Drywall contractors typically handle mudding and taping as part of their repair services. And again, homeowners who are confident in their do-it-yourself abilities can attempt mudding and taping themselves. To ensure efficient drywall repair, keep these tips in mind. Firstly, use the right tools. Having the proper tools for cutting, patching, and mudding can speed up the process. Secondly, cut clean edges. Making clean, straight cuts will ensure a smooth finish. Thirdly, patch carefully. Use appropriate patching material and apply it evenly to avoid lumps or depressions. Fourthly, mud and tape properly. Apply thin layers of mud and use joint tape to reinforce the patch. Sand each layer smooth before applying the next. Finally, allow adequate drying time. Let the mud dry thoroughly between sanding and applying additional layers. Following these methods will help you efficiently repair drywall.